Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to set up the environment for Boboduino in the Arduino IDE on Mac OS. We will also create another video for Windows system. We will divide this video into 3 steps. You can find the related article or jump to a specific section if you like. Let's start by downloading the Arduino IDE from the link below or by scanning the QR code. You can also find the URL below this video. We will click on the Just Download this time. The Arduino Foundation has developed many great tools. In the future, we can consider make a donation to support them. After download the full DNG file, proceed to install the Arduino IDE by dragging the app into the application folder. Double-click on the application icon to open it. If you encounter an error message preventing the Arduino IDE from opening, please follow these steps. This warning appears because Apple wants to protect the user from opening unidentified file downloaded from the internet. To unlock it, we will have to open the terminal and enter the following command line instructions. You can copy this command directly under this video. After that, we will have to drag the Arduino IDE file into the terminal to pass its path. By executing this command, it will remove the application from quarantine. Now, we can go back to the application folder and reopen the Arduino IDE. Let's install the USB driver. The USB driver enables your computer to recognize the USB device with the CH340G USB to serial communication chip. We can first try to open the Arduino IDE and check if the Boboduino board is recognized by your computer. Let's navigate to the tool, Port. Initially, you may see some device listed. Now, let's plug in the Boboduino board via USB. If a new USB serial device has been detected, it means that your computer has already installed the CH340G driver. If the board can be successfully detected by the computer, it can just skip the USB driver installation part. If your computer cannot detect the board as an external USB device, you will need to install the CH340G USB driver. Let's begin by visiting the article link provided below. You can choose to download the driver directly from our website or obtain it from the WCH GitHub space. Now, let's open the download zip file. Inside, you will find a DNG file and a PKG file. According to the PDF document provided by WCH, if your Mac OS version is greater than 11.0 but not Rosetta, you can install it using the DNG file. For other versions, using the PKG file for installation. After double-clicking on the DNG installation file, we can see the application with the WCH icon. Let's drag it into the application folder. Now, let's open the WCH VCP driver app. Here, you will need to unlock the blockage of the WCH driver installation app in the security and privacy setting. If you install it successfully, a pop-up window with the success message will appear. We recommend restarting your computer after the driver installation. Just a note, if you want to uninstall the driver in the future, simply drag the icon to the bin. However, you don't need to uninstall it this time. Next, we need to set up the third-party board in our Arduino IDE, allowing it to identify the board such as our Boboduino. Let's return to our website and copy the .json link provided in the article. Let's go to Arduino IDE Preference. We will have to pass the .json file link to the additional board manager. Let's go to Tool, Board Manager. Search for Boboduino on the left side of the board manager. Click Install and the current version of 2.2.2 will be installed on our Arduino IDE. After setting up the third-party board in the Arduino IDE, we can test if both the USB driver and the third-party board setup work properly. First, plug in our Boboduino together with the USB to your computer. click on the downward arrow at the top to find the Select Other board and port. Here, on the left side, search for the Boboduino board. On the right side, choose the one with a name start with the USB serial. If you are unsure which device is the right one when selecting the board, unplug the USB and plug it again. If you can see a device disappear and reappear on the right side, most of the time, that is your Boboduino USB device. If your board isn't recognized by the computer as a port on the right side, check if the USB driver has been properly installed. If you cannot find your Boboduino board on the left side, you may have to set up third-party board in the Arduino IDE again. If your board is successfully recognized in the Arduino IDE, you can test it by uploading a simple blink code. This code will blink a D13 LED blading on the top of the Boboduino head. First, choose the Boboduino third-party board setting and go to File, Example, Basic, Blink. Open this example code and click the Upload button. If you can see the done uploading message and your board started to blink the LED, it means that we have installed the USB driver and third-party board properly. Now, we can start building some fun project with our Boboduino board. In the next video, we will illustrate the jumper at the back of this board. Please leave your question and comment below. Let us know if you encounter any problem during the installation process. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.